So this is the LED that I ordered. And this is how they light up. And this is the old original one. Very yellowish and with weak light. And this is with the strong light. And now I will replace this one. It's easy. Just pry with something here and push it downwards and just unplug this. Easy. See? Now we take the new LED ones. We remove this protection because when it hits up, just a second, when it hits up, it will melt this and it will stink, and maybe even it will burn. Okay, so we throw this away. We take this. This is the connection.